Hello guys. We're still checking on our trades. Like I said, building a strategy is the first thing before you actually go live. Because money is really, easy to lose in when you're trading. Okay, so these are my trades. Tesla is, I think it was a bad trade, but we made it like a couple of days. I think we're going to give it till like Wednesday or Thursday, probably by the end of this week, because everyone was so excited about the treasury bills and bonds last week. They thought maybe the interest or coupon will go up, but it didn't go up. So yeah, so I'm hoping they'll transfer back the money into stocks, make them a nice huge rally. So I'm gonna hold on to Tesla, but I'm still gonna do my research for today. This is a trade which somebody would have copied. Like I said, the lot size is really high. The movement is slim, but it's good. I think it's still a good trade. Like you can see, just gained again. So usually what I do, like I said, in trading you're supposed to be aggressive. So you take the profit. You have to just take the profit. Then hopefully we're going to ride it again. Copper is strong today. Maybe usually I really look at copper in relation to the Chinese market. So we're going to check out that today. Ripple has actually gained because Bitcoin has actually gone down. So that's something you need to look at. Most of these, what can I say? Most of these instruments, let's say instruments, yeah. Most of these financial instruments like Tesla, Forex, and all that, usually they have another side. So when one is going up, the other one is going down. So that's the way it is, with Ripple. So when Bitcoin is losing, Ripple is gaining because I'm doing Ripple Bitcoin. So like I said, we just saw this trade go up, so maybe it's not too late for somebody to go in. But let's look at the graphs real quick. As you can see from mine, I still have my resistance line and it has been tested. Let's see, let me show you one thing. It has been tested 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's how much it's been tested, you know. Let's zoom in because this is a daily. Like I said, I'm not really a scalper or anything like that. I'm more into uh, investing than closing my positions in one day. So as you can see, like this candle actually says a lot. Let me just see if I can zoom it up real good for you. Okay, the last candle, sorry, the last candle, this one said a lot, you know what I mean? So you can see the tail there, the up line on top of the candlestick. That shows there were some buyers who felt like Bitcoin is going to go for resistance because of that line. But you can see it is a bullish candle, but we can see there are still buyers testing it. So we don't know how it's going to be this week. But yeah, Bitcoin is almost hitting 7,000. So I think it's going to rally a bit more. Let's see how it will react today. Then we'll see if we're going to open or close our positions with a higher lot size. Let's check out the British pound. Okay, British pound. Whoa, it's been crazy, eh? Let's see the bigger picture. So it's been going down. It's lost a lot against the dollar. I think it's people still trying to test it because it's it's an inverse head and shoulders pattern. If you can see it, let me just show you what I mean by sorry about that. Let me just show you what I mean about sorry again about inverse head and shoulders. So you have this, that's the head, and that's the two shoulders. So anything can happen from here. You just have to keep an eye out, especially today. I'm a day trader, so I'm a bit chilled. But if you want to close your positions real fast, then you have to be a bit more aggressive. Let's see what's happening with copper. Sorry. Let's go back. Copper. Let's see, where is copper futures? Okay, let's get the bigger picture. So there, you see, like I said, all these guys have got a type of resistance line. Like you can see with copper, it's this same line, and it's also kind of an inverse head and shoulders. So let's see if I can draw it for you again. Sorry. So you can look at it as these are the two shoulders, this is the head. So anything can happen. Like I said, this is just something you need to look at and verify with other indicators and your macro fundamentals and everything. So yeah. So the one I'm really interested in is Ripple. So Ripple is doing good. It's not too late. I had a very, very low because I wasn't very sure. This is probably for somebody who wants to scalp, but we're going to keep it. But it's very interesting with this one. So let's just close it. I didn't want to take profit, but like I said, you need to ride it. So you need to take profits and ride the curve. So sometimes, like what I do, like I said, I'm still building my strategy, is so looking at it now, there's a bullish candle, it's still forming, but looking at the candlestick, it has no tail, but you can see that slight thing, like it wants to push back up. So I think I'm going to go back in. So I'm going to open another trade on this one. So we're going to go new order. Yeah, definitely increase lot size because there's high volatility in these big pairs. So we're going to buy the market. Like I said, this is a demo. Wouldn't buy the market if we are trading cash. So let's see how it goes. Like you see, still on the negatives. Copper is looking good. I hope I can open a tighter trade. So yeah, I'm going to open a tighter trade with copper too, and let's see how that plays out. So yeah, so just keep building your strategy, then when we go live, we'll be together. All right, thank you. Please follow my YouTube channel, contact me so that we can work together. Trading is about views and theories from different people, what other people think, because sometimes we get one-sided when we're trading, like we think all our trades are right. So like you can see there, the candlestick, that black candlestick, that means it's closed lower than it opened, but it's still forming up. I think, there's still some more buyers. I still think there's still more buyers. I hope it will hit a higher price. Okay, thank you. Okay.